Today I'm looking at the Lumberjack digital 16mm benchtop drill press. A compact but feature heavy bit of kit designed for anybody working in a small workshop like mine who needs serious performance. It's powered by a powerful and quiet 550 watt induction motor. And the standout feature here is the digital variable speed control. No belt swaps here, just adjust the dial and set your RPM anywhere between 360 and 2500. The digital display shows your exact speed, making it easy to match your drill bit speed with your material without guessing. The built-in LED work light makes it easier to see what you're doing, and you've got a cross laser system to line up your drilling point accurately. These have quick adjustments on the side if you need to tweak them and get them dialed in. I'm finding this feature really useful since upgrading to this machine. No more having to plunge your drill bit constantly to line up your workpiece. A real time saver when you're drilling a lot of holes. The cast iron table height's fully adjustable on a rack and pinion system, and you can tilt it left or right if you're working on angled pieces. There's even a table extension for longer workpieces. The drill includes a depth scale and stops for accurate drilling. Safety wise, you've got an emergency stop button, a locking chuck guard, and a belt cover safety switch. So it's safely kitted out for a trade or DIY workshop. Drilling capacity is fantastic on this machine with a 90mm spindle travel and an impressive 300mm swing for drilling larger workpieces. Perfect for all of your workshop drilling jobs, whether it's hardwoods or metal. If you're after a reliable bench mounted drill press with digital speed control and pro grade features, then this one is absolutely worth a look. Smooth, quiet and precise, this is perfect for large and small workshops alike, or anyone who's looking to upgrade from a more basic drill press. And if you've noticed this tool wall in the back of any of the new Lumberjack videos, then head over to my channel, Renovation Dan, for the full build process. You can find a link to this machine in the description box, and if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below.